You heard it. You heard it here first. 30 to 50 cents in the very near term. What do I think the best thing to do right now? I would get a bag of flow. Now, you're going to say, wait a minute, this thing's been running forever. Here's the thing.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? The Nostradamus of crypto is back. Today we're talking Tron and the breakout opportunity. Now, let's get into it. Looking at Tron sitting at 0.153 cents, up 10%. Looks like it's super high. Look at that. But keep in mind, this is in USD value. So has Tron really pumped yet? A better way to look at this is at the BTC value, and you can see Tron looks like a red-headed stepchild that's just been beaten down. Tron's all-time high is about, well, reported, it's going to be different in different places. It's saying 23 cents. So why do I think Tron is an opportunity? Well, I'm going to give it to you in several ways today. Number one, you can see these numbers up here if we get the fundamentals. Now, we do have this resistance right here. However, if we take the bottom of this to the top and we extrapolate this and look at this as a big cup and handle, see this cup and handle? This would jet us over the resistance. So what am I thinking is going to happen to Tron? Well, I am calling, you heard it here first, 30 to 50 cents in the very near term. 30 to 50 cents. Yes, repeat, I think Tron is going to an all-time high. Digging into it a little deeper, we can see that, let's see here. Let me flip this trading view up a little bit. We can see the 200-day MA close, right? But we have the 50-day and the 34 quickly approaching with bullish divergence into this MA 200. Now this is huge because if you look at the 200, what has been basically the trend is down. Okay, so typically when you get this crossover, you get a crossover on the 50, like it happened over here. You can see that, and then it kind of mooned, and then it peaked, and then we're looking for that crossover. Now you could say, should I wait for the confirmation? That is up to you. I've always owned Tron and always have a bag of Tron. I've been stacking it since the old days, but this is basically what we're looking to see is if this 50-day blasts through the 200, holy cow. I'm telling you, we're going to see, just based on the basic chart fundamentals, that this thing could really take off. I'll leave a link down below here. There's all kinds of predictions up here, 2 and 3x. So let's just say that Tron is going to 2x, okay? What do I think the best thing to do right now? I would get a bag of flow. Now, you're going to say, wait a minute, this thing's been running forever. Here's the thing. With Tron as an appreciating asset, and then you can get 125% on your Tron, you could get a 2x on Tron and then get another 2x off of Flow if you were in Flow. So, I've got about $110,000 worth of Banker X, but basically you're buying Banker X over here on SwapX with your Tron, and then once you do that, I'll leave a link down for the video. Basically the system drips back. Now as the TRX value increases, okay, this this will protect the price of Banker X. Okay, so that's another play. That's a 4x if you're looking for a 4x. So easy 2x just on the speculative trade. Again, I don't see much risk here because I have always earned Tron, and basically, I've always been in bankroll. So like I said, there's two ways you can run about this. But anyways, back to over to the ideas. You got all kinds of different calls. You got the Batman symbol. You got people calling a cup and handle. This wedge with the breakout. But ultimately, there's a lot of consensus based on the charts, the volume, what it's doing, that Tron is poised for a beautiful, beautiful breakout. I mean, even if it only made it halfway to 600 sats, you're going to be sitting on 40-cent Tron. I'm earning $1,200 a day on Bankroll Flow, and I'm just stacking. So, but anyways, that's a great way to put. So that is the big takeaway, is when you put your Tron to work in DeFi and it's appreciating, you basically it's explosive gains. So if Tron goes to 40 cents, Flow's going to be making me $3,000 or $4,000 a day. Okay, $3,000 or $4,000 a day, and the Banker X price has been very stable between this 17 to 20 cent range. But again, I'll leave the video down below. So that is my call. If you don't own any Tron, get the Tron Link wallet and buy you some Tron. You can pretty much get it everywhere. You could do a Atomic Wallet swap, Exodus swap, Simple swap, KuCoin, Bittrex. But anyways, I think this baby is setting up to run. Now, as always, not financial advice. I hold Tron and I earn Tron every day. So this is more for people that may not be in Tron or their bags are low. But Tron has not pumped versus BTC. And that's what all of this comes down to, is this rotation of pumps as people pay more attention to, coins. And this would probably easily put Tron back into the top 10. At maybe a 25 to 40 billion dollar market cap in that area. So wait a minute, actually, let me see. Coin market. Take a look at that. If I'm right here, volume, market cap. Oh wait, yeah, definitely top 10. Definitely top 10. If it's anywhere 25, maybe about position 8 or 9, maybe 7, maybe between 7 and 8. Yeah. So again, I think this is a huge opportunity. Like and subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.